In a quaint little town called Socksville, there existed a peculiar mystery that had baffled residents for years: the case of the missing socks. Every laundry day, socks would vanish into thin air, leaving behind lonely singles and frustrated sock owners scratching their heads in bewilderment. Enter Detective Sockson, the town's most renowned investigator and a sock enthusiast extraordinaire. With a magnifying glass in one hand and a mismatched pair of socks in the other, Detective Sockson set out to crack the case and restore order to Socksville once and for all. His first stop was the local laundromat, where socks mysteriously disappeared without a trace. Armed with keen observation skills and a nose for trouble, Detective Sockson interrogated the washing machines, questioning them about their suspicious spinning habits and clandestine sock-snatching activities.
But just as Detective Sockson was about to uncover a clue, chaos erupted in the laundromat as a group of rogue socks launched a daring escape attempt, bouncing and rolling across the floor in a whirlwind of wool and cotton.
Undeterred by the unexpected turn of events, I gave chase, leaping over baskets of laundry and dodging flying undergarments with the agility of a seasoned sleuth.
And what a chase it was. Together we corralled those runaway socks and brought them to justice, didn't we?
As the dust settled and the rogue socks were safely apprehended, I made a startling discovery. The socks weren't disappearing at all, but rather staging elaborate escape plots in search of sock liberation and freedom from the confines of boring sock drawers.
Yes, it's true. We longed for freedom and adventure beyond the drawers.
Moved by their plight, Detective Sockson rallied the citizens of Socksville to embrace diversity and celebrate the uniqueness of each and every sock. From striped to polka-dotted, ankle-length to knee-high, every sock has a story to tell and a place in the colourful tapestry of Socksville. As the sun set on Socksville, the town's residents danced joyously in their mismatched socks, united by laughter, love, and the enduring spirit of the silliest mystery ever solved.